Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening your system settings so you can change font size at the source. On Windows, press Windows key +I. On Mac OS, open System Preferences. Once there, go to Display, Appearance, or Accessibility. These panels control text and scaling. You're looking for labels like text size, font size, or scale. Make sure your laptop is plugged in if scaling changes trigger a display refresh. Begin with the default slider or drop-down. This gives you a predictable baseline to adjust from. Now you'll change the actual values. Use the slider or choose a preset like 100%, 125%, or 150% to increase readability. Higher values enlarge all UI elements too. If available, select whether to change only text or the entire interface. Text only keeps layouts intact. After picking a value, preview the result. Some systems require you to sign out or restart to apply scaling. If text looks blurry, try a different scale or fractional values like 125% until sharpness and layout balance. Finish by checking individual apps. Web browsers and Office apps often have their own zoom or font settings, and you can use Ctrl++/- or Command++/- for quick changes. If some apps remain oddly sized or blurry, update your graphics driver and choose the display's native scale, then sign out and back in. As a single troubleshooting tip, if fonts look fuzzy after scaling, revert to a native integer scale, 100% or 200%. Then try a fractional step like 125% to preserve clarity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.